Today's a little bit of a different video, because don't really have much to do yet, still looking for something. But today, I have a collection of cars I found on Instagram that I want to show you guys that I think are pretty cool. But before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to my buddies of the Cars Drift Instagram page. You check that out right here. These guys have a lot of funny videos and cool cars on their page, and I recommend giving them a follow and a like. Or several likes, like all their stuff. It's a free country, you're allowed to do what you want. Anyways, on to the show. First up, we have Via Montes. This looks like an off-road Audi. Not much of an Audi guy, can't tell what kind of Audi it is, but it's got the big fender flares and the big meaty tires. It's cool, but it's not exactly my I mean, I'd rent it for a weekend. That's probably about as much as I would do. So 6 out of 10. It's cool. I wouldn't own it cool though. Next clip we have Basic Racing and their BMW. I like this. I don't like BMWs, but I like this. I like how they kind of wide-bodied it, but it's subtle. The wheels are nice. The front bumper is good. You got a sneak peek of the intake, not the intake. Sorry, the intercooler in the front bumper. I love the details and the graphics and the paint. Looking closely, you can tell there's a roll cage, and it's lowered a little bit, so it's built, and it looks like it'll go real fast. I like this. Not a BMW guy, but I like this. 9 out of 10 for sure. Tyler Powell, 63. He's got a C2 Corvette. Almost looks like a murder build. I don't know if this is quite enough of a murder, but I love this. I love the old Corvettes. People say they're the slowest Corvettes or the worst Corvettes, but I love them. I mean, it's lowered, it's got a body kit, it's a big spoiler. The back end, it looks like a Batmobile. That's why it's so cool. Or in the description, it's a 600 horsepower LS7 Viper T56, fully caged. Love this car. Amazing. I would kill to have this car. 10 out of 10. Well done, Tyler. Next up, 3rd gen F bodies. So this looks like it might be one nasty Z28 Camaro, and I dig it. In my opinion, the 3rd gen Camaros are the second ugliest, followed closely by the 4th gen Camaros. But I like this. The wheels are a little bit thin, but on the rears it's got drags, and you can kind of see right behind that front wheel there's a side exhaust port and a big cowl. So this thing, there's something under the hood. We need to see it. I want to do some more looking into this, see what's under the hood. But whatever it is, it's pretty serious. Just have the exhaust exit out that side. Put more money into engine than exhaust. I also like the halogen headlights, the front bumper and the splitter. It's pretty cool. Can't tell from here if there's a spoiler on the back, but black is always a good choice for muscle cars. Always go black. I dig it a lot. It's a 3rd gen. I would have lost my mind if it was a 2nd gen, but 9 out of 10. Love it. I wish I knew more about this. This is a beautiful car. It looks like a 40s, I want to say Ford. Don't know much more than that. Looks like it might be on a gasser chassis with drag slicks. Again, I don't know anything about this car, but I love it. I'm a sucker for these older 40 bodies. The way the whole body just kind of rolls and moves over the wheels and the frame. I want it so bad. Again, I don't know much about it, so I can't give it a perfect score. I'm going to go 8 out of 10. I think maybe something other than yellow too. Yellow is a little yeah, for me, but I like it. 8 out of 10. Okay, Junker Nation sent me this Prius. It's smashed. It's no good. Plus it's a Prius. It's probably worth something for parts. 2 out of 10. Alex Choi and his caged Lamborghini. If you have not seen this Lamborghini yet, hello, here it is. It's a loss for words, really, because I don't know how many of you out there are like me, but supercars don't really do it for me. I like to see cars that people have built and like worked up, like the older Camaros back there. You have to build that for it to be fast. Lamborghinis come fast out of the factory. And then this guy puts a pink roll cage on it and it adds a lot of weight. He's done some performance on it as well. You can see that. And I've seen videos of it in action. And that's... oof. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's on airbags, so looking at that rear bar kind of by the tire, it looks like it might be a little bit low. I hope it's on bags and it's not static like that. But don't get me wrong, this Lamborghini is still really cool. Even if most of the aesthetic choices on it, I would have done probably the opposite. I want to give it a 6 out of 10. It's a Lamborghini, it's cool, it's got performance on it, but it's got an ugly cage. And I just don't really like it. I'm sorry, all you Lamborghini lovers, but just... it's cool, but it's not my cup of tea. Asian Boy Lloyd, coming in hot with the Miata. This guy knows my weakness. I love Miatas. I want to get another Miata. Don't tell anyone that oversees my finances, but I want another Miata. And actually this Miata, that's the color I wanted to paint the red Miata I had a while ago. You look back at my first couple of videos when I had my red Miata. I wanted to do this purple, but red was cheaper and easier. It's a beautiful color. It's got the pop-up headlights. I love it. The wheels are not exactly my choice. Mismatch set between the front and the backs. Obviously, Drift Boy stance. That's probably just his opinion. I won't dock him points on that. He's got a body kit on it, front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, and it looks like he's got a hardtop paint to match. Perfect. I love this car. However, he is going to lose points for the amount of stickers on the windshield. It's not really much of a... I'm not much of a sticker guy. Sorry, but... especially that one sticker going across the middle of the windshield. What's the point? A banner across the top works just as well, but... so... between the wheels and the stickers on the windshield, 8 out of 10. A solid 8. I might think of it. I might give it a 9. 8 out of 10. So this is Shitbox Creations with his Miata. I dig this a lot, actually. The front and rear wheels are matching, but they're offset. That's a good way to do a kind of a drifty kind of build. Looks like he's got a wide body with a ducktail spoiler. Ducktails are probably the best kind of spoiler for a lot of cars, especially the Miata. Paint to match hardtop. He's got a banner sticker and one sticker in the bottom of the windshield. Perfect. Front bumper, clearly aftermarket, as well as, well, he got a whole wide body. He's got to do a front bumper, so that makes sense. He's got the rising sun on the hood. Depending on who you ask and what day you ask, that might be rice, it might be cool. I think it works really good for this car. This is a really nice car. The paint looks good. It's straight. He's got matching wheels. I normally don't like wide bodies that are this wide, but it works on this car. I mean, you can just look at it. Come on. I'll give this Miata, to hell with it, a 10 out of 10. I love it. Wide body and everything. Beautiful car. Well done. I love this car. This is another car you have to see along with that cage Miata. Is this boosted Mini Cooper. I think the guy swapped in... I can't remember exactly what he swapped in, but I think it's the 4-cylinder Honda motor. Yeah, the Honda. It's but yeah, this is really cool. I mean, it's got a great big turbo mounted right on the hood of the car. The intercooler is out loud and proud. The paint scheme on this, the gray and orange, it would never work on any other car, but this guy pulls it off on this car. And that is something I hugely respect. When you get something that everyone's gonna go, what the hell? No, never. And you make it work. Big points in my opinion. You have a boosted Mini Cooper, gray and orange, and the Honda motor. On paper, that should never be a cool car. But look at it, it's so cool. He's got his front tires are offset, more grip, more power. I really dig this. And he's got a modest amount of stickers. Perfect. However, double-decker wing in the back, he's going to lose some points for that, just in my opinion. And I don't know, I'll keep his points the same, but he's got chrome rear view mirrors. Maybe, I don't know. Ooh, on a second look, I see now that he's got orange harnesses inside the car. Oh, this car is beautiful. I love it. 9 out of 10. Only because of the double-decker wing in the back. That's the only place to lose points. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love this car. Alright. Here it is. This is what everyone is probably looking for. This is R32 GTR from Leal Varado. Okay, so this is clearly not a stock GTR. You got your front bash bumper, your intercoolers in the front bumper. I want to say those are roto wheels. I'm not a wheel guy, I don't know. But those are probably some of my favorite wheel styles. Kind of where it comes out and it turns back into the wheel. I love those. Also, I love the blue on this car. It's a very deep blue. It's beautiful. The body is straight. I would buy this car in a heartbeat. The only point I dislike, it looks like there's a sticker on the driver's side of the windshield. Kind of looks like it comes up into your field of view. I don't really dig that, but it's his car. I mean, it's a GTR. How can you not like a GTR? Most the R32 GTR, R34 fanboys might not dig it exactly, but I really like it. 9 out of 10 again, except for the stickers. And that's going to be it for this video. Remember to follow Drift Cars on Instagram, and to go ahead and follow me on YouTube, and go ahead and follow my Instagram, link is in the description, for more updates on future videos and for a poll so you can get your car in another video like this. Also, let me know if you like this video and you want to see more of it, or if you don't like this video, we'll try and find something else to do. Because honestly, this was a little bit of a stretch for me too, a little bit outside my comfort zone. But hey, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.